Want to program your Honda Civic key fob yourself? It's easier than you think and can save you money. This video covers Civics from 1999 to 2005, EX, LX, HX, and side trims. These models use a simple radio frequency RF system that you can reprogram using just your ignition key and the fob itself. No special tools are needed. You will need a working key fob or a new replacement and access to your vehicle. Make sure your car is in a safe location, doors are unlocked, and the ignition is off. Insert the key into the ignition, but do not start the engine. Cycle the ignition by turning it to the on position, then back to off. Repeat this cycle 3 times quickly, all within 10 seconds. On the 4th turn, leave the ignition in the on position. You should see the doors automatically lock and unlock, indicating programming mode is active. Immediately press the lock button on your key fob. The doors should cycle again to confirm. If you have additional fobs, repeat the previous step for each one, up to 3 or 4 depending on your model year. Turn the ignition off to exit programming mode. Test each fob to ensure it's working. If it fails, double-check the battery in the fob.